Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hope you good today. Welcome back with me Iksan Arsandi. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make an Instagram video like this.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean.
Okay, first open your InShot app and then click video and click photos. Then choose your photo that you want to make as a background for your video. Next, change the aspect ratio. Just click the canvas and click aspect ratio. Then choose the Instagram aspect ratio. Next step is determine your video duration. Just click the video bar in your timeline and click speed, then make it to 10 seconds. And we have a 10-second video length. In this tutorial, I want to make a 36-second video, so we just duplicate the clip and setting it until we get a 36-second video. Next step is add an effect for our clip. Just click the filter icon, then choose the filter style and click apply to all. Next, we add some glitch effect. Just click the effect and choose glitch. Next step is insert a background. Click the music icon, then click my music and choose your music file. Because the music is too long, we have to edit and choose the part that we need. Just click edit and trim it as you want. The next step is add a subtitle text. Just click the text icon, then type the subtitle or lyric and change the color, font style, and the motion. To make it better, arrange the text bar and make it synchron with the background. And repeat this step to add the subtitle or lyric until the end of this video. If you're done, just click save and choose the export quality. I recommend it to choose 640p because it produces a good quality video and small size for the file. Alright everyone, thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry if my English is not good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am Iksan Arsandi. Have a nice day and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.